Hi everyone, I'm Qiaozhang and I'm a fifth-year PhD student from Georgia Tech. Unfortunately, our team cannot attend in person due to visa reasons. In this video, I'm going to give a brief summary of our competition. This is the first time for us to run a game competition with a multiplayer turn-based game developed in-house called Adventure. First, let's watch a short video introducing the game. Here is an overview of the completion timeline. During the 2 months of the completion, we advertised through mailing lists, social media, and word of mouth. We hosted an in-person hackathon in June to gather participants together, working on the agents and playing the game. Here are some summary statistics of the completion. We have 2 tracks, the agent development track and the player track. We received 2 agent submissions and got 21 players signed up to play 847 games. We noticed that the all-human teams played more games, cleared more levels, and achieved a higher score on average compared to human-like hybrid teams. We are investigating the reasons that lead to such different performance in different teams. As Adventure is a cooperative game, we evaluate participants as a team instead of as individuals. In the scoring function we proposed, SI is a score that each team can obtain by the end of level I with a base of 100, decayed by a decaying factor D over R number of rounds. Each character J can get a bonus point up to 10 in a level with a proportion of the remaining health H divided by the max health H max they have if they do not respawn, where RS equals to 1 in a level of the game. If a character dies and respawns in a level, RS will equal to 0, and this character cannot earn bonus points for their team. The team's total score is the sum of scores over all the levels they have completed. The goal of hosting this competition is to explore human-AI teaming and see how hybrid teams perform comparing to teams consist of only human or AI. We also want to raise the awareness of building AI agents that can do online learning and adjust to human behaviors. In addition to using game as an environment to train and deploy agents, our team leveraged speculative game design when developing the game Adventure to make it an interesting game to play at the first place. As Adventure is a multiplayer co-op game, we also want to study how team composition and role allocation between human players and the AI agents can possibly affect the team's performance. Lastly, from the perspective of team science and IO psychology, we want to understand how communication, coordination, and adaptation is established in hybrid teams by analyzing the competition data. We'd like to thank all the participants who signed up to develop the agents and to play our game. On week 3, all human teams on top of the leaderboard by the end of the competition. Some players played anonymously, and they will be excluded from dividing the prize with their teammates. The prize is generously sponsored by the IEEE Computational Intelligence Society. We will share contact information of the winners with the sponsor directly after conference on games. Lastly, there are a few next steps for us. First, we certainly plan to run future iterations of the competition. Second, our team is working on a series of cooperative games, which we also plan to use as environment and study human AI teaming. We are also developing online learning agents and interactive machine learning agents that can adjust to human behaviors. Lastly, we are conducting comprehensive data analysis on the gameplay data to uncover strategies applied by different types of teams and to understand how communication protocols are established. This is our team. Thank you so much for listening.